Gurgle, gurgle. Gurgle, gurgle. Gurgle, gurgle. Gurgle, gurgle. And she likes to take it in this hole right here. Got the daily car up on ramps, doing an oil change, draining out the old stuff. I think it's been in there for far more than 5,000 kilometers. So the new filter came with a new O-ring, and that's gonna go right on here. And the new filter does stick into the lid, has these prongs, and it just sticks in the lid. I already pulled the old one out, and go ahead and pop this one in, put the new O-ring on. I still have to put the drain plug in, so I'm just letting it drip. It calls for 5W30. Normally there's an engine cover on here, but it just pops on and off. There she is. The filter just pops in and out of the lid, and I popped the new one in. The drain plug is a 13mm, and it's pretty easy to get at on the passenger side. Pop the old one out, new one in, put the new O-ring on there, and she just goes in there just like that. This is a 15/16, and it's only plastic, so you don't have to go crazy with it. She calls for 5W30, so that's what she's gonna get, I suppose. Pennzoil. Yeah, 5 liters of that stuff. And she likes to take it in this hole right here. But before I do that, I'm gonna put a little bit of stabilizer into her, because she's high mileage. She's got like 280 some thousand kilometers on it now, I think, give or take. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this in, maybe a quarter, half a liter. Just take the whole friggin' applicator right off. She runs like molasses, this stuff. Oh, maybe a little bit faster than molasses. Gurgle, gurgle. Gurgle, gurgle. Give her a couple gurgles of this, and then I'll top her off with the Earls. I decided to resort to a funnel so I don't make too much of a mess. Gurgle, gurgle. Gurgle, gurgle. This is a little bit slow, this funnel, but at least it doesn't make a mess. That's good. Synthetic blend, clean and responsive. Oh yeah. So I think she's gonna take right about 5 liters, and I don't know, I've got maybe 3/4 of a liter here. And I put about half a liter, not quite half a liter of Lucas, so she'll take a little more. And then we'll fire it up and get the oil filter wet. Dodge. Outside. So these are asymmetrical. So the tread on one side is different than the other side. So they're not directional, but they're asymmetrical. So this has to be on the outside. Oh yeah, that's way more good. But they'll be good for something that you find for sale on the side of the road. And some LED lights, under dash lights, under glow lights, and some other stuff.